Hi there, it's Jessica Jordan here from Field Place Ceramics again. Just today I'm just going to show you how to do a pinch pot to begin with, and then I will do some more workshops to show you how to use your pinch pots. So I'm just at the moment, I've just got a ball of clay and I've just squeezed it in my hand, and now what I'm doing is I'm rolling around. So can you see that I'm just rolling that clay around just in the palm of my hand, and I'm keeping it moving up all the time. And around we go until I've got a really nice round ball. And again, I'm going to use the palm of my hand and my other hand just to sort of give that a little bit of a squeeze and get that into shape like so. Now you can see we've got a couple of little bits that we can use our finger just to sort of go over the top of and just smooth out. So I'm just smoothing that out for you and make that a bit better. So once I've done this all the way over and I've got a lovely smooth ball of clay, I'm going to find the middle point, and that's where I'm going to press my thumb down and press my thumb in. Now I only want to go sort of halfway really, so you should end up with a little hole like so. I don't want to go any further than that, otherwise I will end up with a hole on the opposite side, which I don't really want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my thumb back inside, and my hand's going to go over the top, and we're going to just very gently squeeze. And every time I squeeze, I'm then going to take the clay and I'm going to rotate. So squeeze and rotate, and then squeeze and rotate. And as I'm going to do that, I'm going to slowly raise my thumb up the side of the wall and squeeze and rotate. And just slowly but surely, I'm going to make my hole bigger. I'm just squeezing and rotating all the way around. So I've gone back down to the bottom part now because I've got quite a bit of weight down the bottom here. And again, I'm going to just squeeze that clay. And as I'm squeezing that clay from the bottom, what I'm doing is I'm raising my thumb up on the inside. So up on the inside, and then again rotating the clay and bringing that clay up. So I'm making my form a lot bigger. So as I'm coming up, I'm squeezing, and I'm going to take my thumb and pull the clay up as I squeeze. Again, what I'm just doing is I'm equaling out my walls and actually making my pot a lot bigger. I'm just going to work on my top rim. And again, I'm doing this sort of motion now where I'm actually taking the clay through my fingers and I'm sort of just squeezing it as it's coming up. See that? Starting to get a slightly thinner rim. And then what I would do is, once I've got my rough shape that I'm after, I would then leave this to the side and let this harden up before I do any finishing techniques to it. So with the pinch pot, you can sort of use this as a small bowl, or you can actually turn these into tiny mugs. So for your coffee or something along those lines, that's sort of quite a nice sort of size for that. You can take two of these and join these together and make a sculptural form. So I'm going to take you through lots of different sort of processes on how to use a pinch pot. But this is just the basics first of how to sort of get started in making a little pinch pot. There you go. I hope you like it. Perfect. Take care of yourselves. And if you'd like to like and share this, that would be great. And also subscribe, please. Okay, take care.